We're going to take a look in this video at how to set up the Xero integration in WORKetc CRM. First of all, you go to Settings, Apps and Integrations, and if you scroll down the page, you'll be able to go to the section to enable the authorization and integration with Xero. So you click on the link for authorization, it will take you through to your Xero account and click to authorize. That's now allowing WORKetc CRM to communicate with Xero and pass your data. Once that's connected, you can then click on Enable to configure the various settings. You'll need to have a sales account and a payment account set up in Xero. You're also going to need to have a shipping inventory item and a discount inventory item. If you don't have these 4 things set up in Xero, you need to go and set them up now before you can configure any of these settings. Select on the sales account drop down and you'll be able to choose one of the accounts that you've got in Xero to use as your sales account. This should be a revenue type account. Also, you can set your default payment account. This is the account that we used for all payments to be shown against unless you override it with some other account. The shipping and discount items need to be configured even if you don't actually intend to use those in Xero. What this will do is enable any postage or discount items that you create on an invoice in WORKetc CRM to be pushed across into Xero seamlessly. You can also set up which tax criteria is going to be used where there is no tax applied. And then you can map each of the taxes that you have in WORKetc CRM with a corresponding tax in Xero. There's then a number of checkbox selections. Firstly, you can have all your invoices synchronized to Xero. You can also have paid invoices be synchronized to Xero, and you can synchronize your payments across to Xero as well. There's also an option to synchronize contacts and to synchronize your invoice deletion to Xero. You can select whichever of these options you want to apply within the system, and when you're happy with your settings, click on Save. And that's it. Your Xero integration is now set up and ready to run. If you want to force the synchronization to take place in between its regular interval, then you've got an option here to synchronize now. If you want to go back and change it any time, you come back onto this screen again, click where it says Enabled, and that will take you straight back to those options again, where you can make any changes that you want to.